Hello, my sweet friends, Amanda of Journaling and Grace. I want to share with you some Happy Meal. I'm like, whoa, what am I talking about? Some Happy Meal that I received from my friend Hillary at Creative Faith Co. And all I did was open this and peeked inside. So we are going to unbox this together. So, and just for privacy's sake, that's why I have it turned out this way. Okay, so yay. So I do know ahead of time that this is her new Christmas kit. This is the ABCs of Christmas. I think this is her third year doing the ABCs. So Hillary, correct me if I'm wrong, but yes, so that's what this is. And just a little note for me, I am on her creative team for this quarter, and I'm just so excited about that and very, very happy. So yay. So here we have, first, I'm just unboxing this first. This is a traveler size notebook with some adorable coffee mugs, tea mugs, whatever you drink. And for me, these would be tea mugs. I'm trying to get into coffee a little bit, but it's taking a little bit more time than what I would like. So I am a hot tea drinker, and I'm also a tea drinker, but sweet tea drinker, but this is what this is. Just some coffee mugs. This is a dot grid journal. And then just a little note here from Hillary. And then you can use this however you would like to use. Take some sermon notes. You can write down Bible verses, however you'd like. But this is brand new in her shop. So, all right. So we are going to open this. Oh, there it is. I was like, I know something fell out of there. Okay. So we have her new decals that she released as well. This one is, I am doing a new thing, God. Wow. This one is really, really special to me because this is my year verse. I don't know if this is the specific verse that she's referring to, but Isaiah 43:19. I am doing a new thing. Love this. And then do nothing without love. So these are vinyl stickers. You can put them on your water bottle, on some notebooks. I will show you that I do have a notebook here. This is a hardback notebook, and these are this is hard, and you can put some of your stickers there if you'd like. But definitely excited about these. I am a vinyl sticker hoarder. So we'll just leave those right there. So we're going to unzip and we're going to dig in and see what's in here. All right. So for the ABCs of Christmas, I am aware that she has two different color covers that you can choose from. And I chose the traditional colors. Get this out here. Okay, and then her kits always come with these vinyl waterproof like baggies that you can just quickly store them away and put them up after you've used them, or put something else in here. So here is another one of the Christmas stickers, the vinyl Christmas stickers. Jesus Fill My Cup. Of course, doesn't necessarily have to be for Christmas, but just kind of coordinates with this kit. And here we have a printable that goes along, and some washi tape. Gotta love washi. And look at this cute reindeer pen. Love. Okay. Super fine point too. Oh, I love fine point tips. Just love them. Those are my favorite. These are one of my favorite pens. So, Hillary, loving this pen. Cute, cute, cute. And we have a highlighter. These are my favorite highlighters. Actually, Hillary was the one who got me liking them so much. She posted a review on these, and then I went and used her affiliate link and ordered them off of Amazon. So this is actually what the kit looks like. And I did a swatch for the box. I love these colors because they dry kind of look, the look kind of looks chalky, and then the colors are so different. They're not your typical highlighters, except maybe for this one and the light blue one. All of these colors are very, very unique, and I'll show you some highlighting that I've already done in my Bible with those. Let's see here. Here's some with the green. Just want to find some with a lot of it on there. The green there as well. It's not your typical highlighting colors. I think green seems to be my favorite of those. And then here's the blue. Matches very well with that green again. I know I've used that other color. Here is the orange, powdery orange. And you can see how they, I don't know, I just love them. They're my favorite. So I won't make this video super long, but I just wanted to show you. I love those highlighters. Love them. And then we have our ABCs of Christmas. So this is actually a 26-day devotion book that you can start in the month of December, or anytime actually, but it is geared toward Christmas time, and it walks you through every letter of the alphabet having to do with Christmas. And then you have a letter here from Hillary. You have a goal page. And then I won't get into everything, but just some examples. A is for angels. You have a little bit of a passage. You have the devotion, and then a spot for you to journal there if you'd like. E is for extravagant. So this just walks you through all the letters of the alphabet relating to Christmas. J is for jingle bells, making noise for the Lord. And Hillary does have a Facebook group that you can post and share in reference to the ABCs of Christmas. And that is that. And we've got, so in addition to the ABCs of Christmas, she does have some coordinating journals. We're going to go ahead and open these. And you can see how this coordinates perfectly. You can do additional notes. This is also dot grid to go with that. And then this is a Christmas prayer journal for 25 days. Filling up Jesus this season. And she has prompts for every day. And tells you in the very beginning how to use it. Sorry guys, my camera fell. Alright, so it tells you in the very beginning how to use this. You have a little blank page in the beginning. And it says, color each day as you finish all 25 days for the Christmas prayer journal. You have prompts on every day on how to write your prayers and how to pray during the Christmas season. So lots of goodies. I'll give you all the links in the description below, and hop on over to Hillary's Etsy and get your own copy. Like I said, this comes in 2 different colors. This is the traditional, and she has one in like a teal, and then I think this is purple. So, but it's still the same book. So, just wanted to share all these with you, and thank you so much for watching.